Hey viewers, welcome back to Pramay English. I'm Tuhina and we are here at Ekamra Utsav that is being held at Unit 3 Exhibition Ground of Bhubaneswar. So let's explore what's there in the event. Organized by the Bhubaneswar Development Authority BDA, this vibrant and colorful event began on January 6th and will continue until January 16 at Ekamra Hart. Held as a part of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2025 celebrations, the festival highlights health and culture in lively atmosphere. As you step into Ekamra Hart, the event greets you with a bustling food court offering a delicious mix of cuisines. From authentic Odia dishes to North Indian, South Indian and even international flavors, there is something different in every palate. Visitors to the state have shared their disappointment about the limited availability of authentic Odia food options. Many have also suggested that the government should take steps to promote the Odia delicacies at such cultural events. So, let's interact with some of the visitors.
A really good experience. The hygiene has been maintained here, and the food by Baker's Boutique we had right now only. तारो छेना पोड़ो cheese cake टा बहुत बढ़िया. You must try that, and the tiramisu also. It's really nice.
How was the experience at Ekamra Utsav?
Yeah, I mean everything is so good, well maintained. It's very hygienic also, and yeah, there are a lot of options. If you really want to try our Odisha's delicacies and food, you must come here.
I have put a stall at Ekamra Utsav. It is Baker's Boutique and stall number 12. So do come and you try my delicacies. And we have a famous Chenna Podo cheesecake, which you will love it. And we are serving Odia delicacies like dahi bara, and dosa, those things we are serving it. So please come and try, and you will enjoy the environment. Actually, it is very I was surprised. People from not only from our state, people from outside have come and tried, and international tourists have also come and tried, and they have said it's very yummy. So, and they are enjoying it.
The fest also features a bustling marketplace where local traders showcase an array of goods. Visitors can explore clothing, footwear, accessories, unique handcrafted home decor items, and organic and healthy products are true treasure trove for shoppers. Among the traders, stalls like Hydro Valley offering intriguing products and stories to discover.
And I'm visiting Ekamra Utsav. Today it's my second day and I love it. I've been attending Ekamra Utsav for the last few years, 2018-19 World Cup Belu. And one of the significant improvements that I have seen is the level of cleanliness that people have maintained, especially in the food court area. So, which is a very big improvement, and the organizers are doing an amazing job. They should continue this, and I think got a suggestion. December ru start kale, I think we will have a little more time. Eta sabole January hi jauchi. So Sita dinara calm time roach. So December well it should be good.
Okay, Ekamra Utsav is fantastic. It's good and it's cultural kind of program. Well, the problem is that when I came here to have some food, especially I came here to have local Orissa food. But here is very less options actually. The government has to focus and they have to add more foods than the other foods. So I'm requesting government to remove some the other foods and they have to add more local foods, Orissa foods, so that people can enjoy their cultural food also. So apart from that, everything is fantastic and good, and best of luck for you guys.
Hydro Valley is Bhubaneswar's first indoor farming company, pioneering a sustainable and innovative approach to agriculture by growing crops without soil. But they are using water through hydroponic techniques. The company operates its own cloud kitchen, offering a variety of fresh salads and other health-focused dishes. They provide flexible subscription-based delivery plans, ensuring fresh, organic product is delivered to the customer's doorstep in Bhubaneswar at their preferred time and location.
So, for those interested in sustainable living, Hydro Valley conducts a 4 to 5 day workshop also. Participants learn to build their own hydroponic system at home and cultivate crops. The company supplies all necessary materials and knowledge to set up and maintain the system. In fact, customer can avail of a 50% government subsidy on hydroponic setups, making this modern farming method more accessible and affordable. Adding to the festive vibe, a small stage nestled within the market hosts live performances. You can catch a singer captivating the crowd with melodies, making the experience even more delightful.
So that's all. Thank you for joining with us. Do like, share and subscribe for more such exciting video. That's all. Ta-da!